Hey there, tech enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to guide you through the fascinating world of deep learning today. Deep learning is like the superstar of artificial intelligence, and it's changing the game in so many industries. In this video, we're going to break down what deep learning is all about and why it's such a big deal. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of AI? Let's get started. Alright, let's dive into what deep learning actually is. You see, deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which is part of the broader field of artificial intelligence. It's all about creating systems that can learn and make decisions on their own, kind of like how our brains work. Now, these neural networks are pretty cool. They're designed to mimic how our brains process information. Just like we have neurons in our brains, neural networks have artificial neurons arranged in layers. These layers work together to analyze data and make predictions or decisions. Let's break down the structure of a neural network. You've got your input layer, which receives the initial data. Then you have hidden layers, and deep learning models can have many of these. Finally, there's the output layer, which gives us the result. As data flows through these layers, the network learns and improves its accuracy. It's really exciting stuff. Now, let's move on to some real-world applications of deep learning. You've probably encountered deep learning without even realizing it. Ever used face recognition to unlock your phone? That's deep learning in action. It's also behind voice assistants, recommendation systems on streaming platforms, and even self-driving cars. The possibilities are endless. As we wrap up, let's quickly go over some key terms in deep learning. You might hear about epochs, which are basically complete passes through the training dataset. Then there's backpropagation, the method used to calculate gradients and update the network's weights. And don't forget activation functions, which introduce nonlinearity into the network. These concepts are crucial for understanding how deep learning models work and improve over time. Oh, and I can't forget to mention popular frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These tools make it easier for developers to build and train deep learning models, you know? Wow, we've covered a lot today, from the basics of neural networks to real-world applications and key concepts in deep learning. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Deep learning is a rapidly evolving field with endless possibilities. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about AI and technology, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.